In the CyberReady policy workshop, we'll help you document what your cybersecurity expectations and the way that your security controls actually function. We'll capture that information for you in policies and procedures that will allow you to communicate your expectations to all of your employees and to the people responsible for managing those controls. By having that stuff documented, by having documented the way that your environment actually works from a security perspective, you can make sure that your employees know the expectations of them and the way that the security controls are expected to function, so that as you have change in your environment or you have some personnel turnover, that those processes can continue beyond the individual that implemented them. We'll help make that headache of documenting policy and procedure simple and take the hard work for you.